gonna talk about the Excel file we use to implement the machine learning based on the article that we have. So there are one, two, three. Oh, I'm sorry. There are the result A, the data set. We have three data set, training data set that we use for our machine learning method. So which is result A, result B, and result number C. So each one is had 100 column of data, and there are four indexes for each result. And this result, so basically these indexes will lead to result A. These will lead to result B and C's. Also, we assume that the constraint of this, the maximum of the index 1 is the maximum of everything, since it doesn't say on the paper. And same for index 2, index 3, index 4. The next one is our data summary. So first of all, we take the average of each indexes in each result. And also this is the differences between the user input and the average. And then we take the root mean square error and to choose which one is the best. And here's a constraint so here is the code that we wrote on VBA. So basically we just let the user choose the indexes, which is index 1, index 2, index 3, 4, and here is to check if the input is in range of the maximum and the minimum or not. After that, I will assign the indexes into the data summary sheet on Excel, and then I will create a function that will get the address of the smallest number of the range from F6 to F8, since this is our root mean square error. Also, and then to determine, I write a if function to determine which one is the best. So for example, I want to forecast. I have an observation that I want to forecast. There's a button right here, and I choose indexes number 1. So this has to be in the range of index, the maximum and the minimum of index 1. So for example, to 0.3, and this one I would put 0.05. For index 3, I would put minus 0.15. And for index 4, maybe it's 0. And here it will pop up a result that have the lowest root mean square error, which is result B, and it will show up in here. Okay, and also this is the user input that the user, it will show up in here. And for example, if I put this one is outside of the range that I choose, for example this one is 0, which is outside, and this one I will put it at 0 also. This one is 0.2, this one is 0. So here, if I enter in not in the range of predictions, this will pop up this message. So let's make you okay, and now I have to re-enter it. 0.2. Alright, so the result is B, which is the lowest root mean square error of everything. That is our explanations of the